Alright, right now it's 2:45. We are close to the Enchanted cave. Beautiful house. Wow. See, that is a welcome march of Patar, Enchanted cave. Let's see how it goes. Wow. Seriously rocky. Hello for parking.
Yeah, fine.
Thank you. One big good thing about the weekdays, you can beat the crowd. So nobody will be here, maybe lesser crowd. So you're going to enjoy it much better. This is the entrance, and this is where you register yourself at the same time. Pay the admin fee.
Entrance fee, sir, 250 for viewing only, sightseeing.
Okay.
And with swimming, 300.
Okay. So it's total like 300, including swimming in the Enchanted cave. So we go for swimming, no problem at all. Let's do it. Right now it's almost like 3:05. I'm here. Look at it. Enchanted cave. Like that. We'll go by that. Let us look at that. Beautiful. You need to be careful. You have a volcanic rock over here. How is it? Wow. That's a cave, as you can see. So this must be exit entrance over here. Buko set. There. Okay.
So just in case that you want to go back inside, just show this and you'll be able to come back till 5 p.m.
Okay.
Then the start of your way, just go straight ahead, just follow the signage over there, then someone will show you.
Okay. Sure. That is very straightforward. Cave. This is the way to cave. Fantastic. Lucky I have the name board and you helped me out. What is this? What is this place? Restaurant? Wow. You have a very huge restaurant over here. Look. I didn't expect that. Maybe we'll come back. We think about it. Wow. That's cool. Very cool. Hello, po. I'll be back. I will be back later. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Still a lot of things under construction coming up. Good afternoon. I want to go to the cave. Is that?
Okay, sir, next time.
Thank you. Thank you for your help. Thank you. Wow. So many divisions over here to the cave this side. Lucky they have the signboard for the cave. Beautifully maintained, I have to say. Beautifully maintained. It is natural. At the same time, they put steps in between. That's what I like about it. Okay, again the signboard, cave. Wow, we are doing it in one shot. I think we are reached the place. Wow. Hi, how are you?
Grab a free life district.
Sure.
You're good now.
I'm very good in swimming. No problem.
Maybe you can bring your like this.
Right now you are at the wishing well. I'm totally geared up. Look at this. That is a wishing well. You can put your prices like that. You can wish it yourself. So I'm geared up. helmet mandatory for going inside the cave and coming up the cave. That is mandatory. So swimming time you no need the helmet, but life vest is mandatory. You need to wear all the time. No choice already. Just follow the rules. So from here you need to go down 48
That's
steps.
right, sir.
From the
right, sir.
Keep right.
Yes.
Okay. So it is. Thank you, brother. Okay. They are very helpful. I can put my bag. There's a platform down there, so I can use it up. Let's see. He is a 48 step. 48 step downstairs. Wow. Seriously? 48 steps? Here already I'm looking like this. Woo. Okay, bend low beams. Okay, very low. Seriously low. Wow. Yeah. I don't know how much you can see me. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. There's a people here. This is a base. We already have around 20 people down there, 15 people on the pool. It is quite cool over here. I thought it's going to be hot. It's quite cool over here. And the water also crystal clear. Look at that. Look. This Enchanted cave, the water is connected to the sea water. If it is high tide, it will be more water. If it is low tide, it will be less water. Right now it's high tide, so the water is more up over here. You can swim until 30 meter. That is allowed right now. So I'm going to try it. I'm really excited right now. Wow. Seriously, it's cold. It's very cold. It's nice. It's a brave kid. Wow. It's a very, very brave kid. She's only like, I think it's 5 to 6 years old, but she was very brave enough to go to the cave, water and swimming over there. Let's do it. Now the time, go all in. Beautiful. It's cold. Nice. Sorry. Let's go a little bit further. Hi. Wow, this rock totally different, like a mineral rock. So this is the end. We can go until there. After that, no entry here. You can see the no entry board. Okay, that's the maximum we can go. There's a wire there. After that, nothing. So this is the last. After that, you cannot go anymore. That's the last one. You can see the wire, rope. Wow.
Sorry? I'm sure. I'm sure.
From Korea?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see your face. I can tell you. How about you?
Me too.
Me, you too. I can clearly tell you from Korea.
Are you used to go?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. Later, I give you the my channel address. You can check it out.
Okay, okay.
You are okay with the video? Yeah. Say hi. They're from Korea. This is the brightest place. Seriously. So this light, they can see me easily because I'm too dark. Are you okay? I can see you anywhere, but me, I need light. It's okay. Ready? Beautiful. Okay, let's leave. Wow. Look at that. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you. Seriously? That's why they give helmet. Wow. I'm up. Okay. Yeah, it's good already.
Okay, sir.